Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can redeem a Base44 coupon code. This is going to allow you to access a premium plan or a higher plan with a special discount, okay, given by this code. They can be, for example, like a 20%, a 30%, things like that, okay? So if you can get one of these codes, I recommend that you use them. So what are you going to do, guys? You're just going to come to use, the dashboard. You're going to go to My Workspace, click on Billing, and as you can see, we have all of the premium plans in here. We have the Elite, the Pro, the Builder, and the Starter. It's kind of hidden, this button, so I just want you to scroll down to here, and you're gonna see this little, letters, a little sentence that says "have a coupon code." It's very hidden, okay? It's very sneaky that they put it in here, so small, but yeah. So just click in here, and you're gonna have to apply the code that you might have, okay? So just apply it before you commit, before you click on any of these buttons. Apply this coupon code, and these prices are going to be updated. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.